Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna review 0 to 1 chapter 1. In the preface of book 0 to 1, Peter Thiel writes, doing what we already know how to do takes the world from 1 to n, but when we create something new, we go from 0 to 1. The best paths are new and untried. 0 to 1 is about how to build companies that create new things. Chapter 1, The Challenge of Future. Peter describes progress into two categories: horizontal or extensive progress, which means copying things that work; vertical or intensive progress, which means doing new things, going from 0 to 1. Vertical progress is harder to imagine because it requires doing something nobody else has ever done, whereas horizontal progress can be defined as globalization, taking things from somewhere and making them work everywhere. The single word for vertical 0 to 1 progress is technology. Here, technology should not be limited to computers. Properly understood, any new and better way of doing things is technology. This age of globalization has made it easy to imagine that the decades ahead will bring more convergence and more sameness. People think that future of the world will be defined by globalization, but the truth is technology matters. Without technological change, if China doubles its energy production over 2 decades, it will also double its air pollution. If every one of India's hundreds of millions of households were to live the way Americans already do, using only today's tools, the result will be disastrous. In a world of scarce resources, globalization without new technology is unsustainable. Here, Peter Thiel writes about startup thinking. He says new technology tends to come from new ventures startups. It's hard to develop new things in big organizations, and it's even harder to do it by yourself. At the other extreme, a lone genius might create a classic work of art or literature, but he could not create an entire industry. This can only be done by startups. A startup is the largest group of people you can convince of a plan to build a different future.